Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today we're doing this lovely book. Isn't that awesome? It even has like the little lines. Can you see that? So it looks like pages. Alright, so I think I lost a piece of paper. Here we go. Card base 4 1/8 by 5 1/2, scored at 7 8 and 1. Those are the little things for the fold. The card front is 4 1/2 by 6 1/2, scored at 3 1/4. I have a couple corners, but I used them for the books, and then 3 pieces of the gold foil, 1/8 by 7 8. The book end is 7 8 by 4, and then you randomly score the lines. So you can see that they don't have to be complete. You could just go all the way across, but you can do random too. What I mean by not complete, not all the way through. And then the pages are 3 by 4 1/4. You can pause here for the measurements if you'd like. And I'll take them away. Alright, so first things first, let's go ahead and adhere the pages in the book. So one page goes here. And the other page. It's my clockwise adhesive so the corners don't pop up. Go ahead and fold that. Burnish that. And that just fits right by the score. Right there. On the along the second one. So I can go ahead and do that. And that goes right here. And it sticks over just a little bit. And then for this one, oh, I forgot, and you also corner around that part too. So a little adhesive here, and that goes right here. I think I may have cut this just a little long, but that's okay. I'll cut that off. So it is a little long, but that's okay. It's better long that you can cut it than too short and have to recut. There. And then let's go ahead and glue these pieces. Next time I probably would put maybe some adhesive sheets on them and just peel and stick, but it's entirely up to you. To make sure they line up in the corner. And then the lines, I kind of just copied some older books I had at home, and they have 1 and 2 lines. So put this one here. Oops. Let's get it over. There we go. And then 2 on the bottom. But you can do it anyway. It's entirely up to you, your choice of what style. Everybody has like different style older books. And that is it. How lovely is that? And you can, I googled first edition books to make it look like similar to those. Alright, thanks for letting me share this with you. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get many more video tutorials such as this. Thank you for letting me share this with you, and have a great day. Bye.